In the world of food, the aphorism "you are what you eat" resonates more loudly than ever today. As the gentle hum of a kitchen mixer blends the past with the present, a gastronomic revolution is brewing. One pot, one plate, one meal at a time. The journey from indulgent, traditionally high-calorie dishes to their vibrant, healthful counterparts is not just about substituting ingredients, it's a renaissance of culinary creativity. Each altered recipe represents not just a meal, but a narrative of transformation. But how do we turn the comfort foods that narrate our life story into protagonists of both palatable delight and physical wellness? This essay will explore just that, weaving science with the art of cooking to offer you a guide on remastering your kitchen into a haven of health. Understanding the need for healthier recipes. Healthy eating isn't a trend, it's a necessary shift in our global culture. With chronic diseases like diabetes and heart conditions soaring, changing our cooking habits becomes not only an individual health strategy but a societal mandate. By revamping classic recipes into healthier versions, we gain control, boosting nutrition without sacrificing flavor. Vegetables and fruits, abundant in colors and shapes, hold the secret weapons: vitamins, minerals, fibers, and antioxidants that our bodies crave. Yet, integrating them into meals loved by families and friends, from lasagnas to cheesecakes, challenges even avid cooks. But fear not, for this transformation is cloaked in creativity and innovation, not deprivation. Recipes are time capsules of culture and affection. Hence, reconstructing them healthily and deliciously is not merely a culinary exercise, but a way of preserving and enhancing our well-being and that of future generations. The science behind the makeover. Understanding the basic nutritional science helps in making informed decisions about meal alterations. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and sugars each play distinct roles. Innovations in food science offer insights that drive healthier substitutes without compromising taste or texture. Modern culinary science is not only about creating recipes that do less harm, but also about concocting dishes that actively benefit our bodies. For instance, the use of ancient grains like quinoa in place of white rice significantly bumps up the protein and fiber content in meals. By dissecting the nutritional content of our favorite meals, we realize the power of each ingredient, learning to amplify their benefits through thoughtful culinary strategies. Rethinking fats and sugars. The war against fats and sugars has been long-standing. However, the transformation isn't about elimination, but about selection and balance. Utilizing healthy fats found in olive oil or avocados can transform a dish's nutrient profile considerably. Swapping out refined sugars for natural sweeteners like honey or even pureed fruits can not only decrease the glycemic load of desserts, but can also add nuanced flavors. Understanding the chemistry of these ingredients allows for their strategic use in recipes where they can perform their function without overwhelming the palate or your blood sugar levels. Embracing these substitutes doesn't strip away the joy of cooking and eating. Instead, it enhances it by adding layers of complexity and health benefits. The protein switch. Beyond meat, protein is pivotal to our diet, yet its traditional sources have often been critiqued for sustainability issues. The shift towards plant-based proteins isn't just a trend, but a necessary pivot for both health and environmental reasons. Experimenting with alternatives such as lentils, chickpeas, and tofu can revolutionize the protein intake in your meals, introducing an array of nutrients like iron and B vitamins that often surpass those found in meat. This switch also encourages a more sustainable cooking practice, vital in today's environmentally conscious world. Moreover, diversifying protein sources can inspire creativity. Imagine reinventing your grandmother's classic beef stew with a hearty, spiced chickpea version, equally comforting yet far richer in dietary fiber and plant nutrients. Reinventing breakfast, a healthy start. The day begins in earnest with breakfast, often touted as the most important meal. Yet, traditional breakfasts can be laden with sugars and fats. Rethinking this meal can set a tone of health and vitality for the entire day. Transforming breakfast means more than just choosing cereal wisely. It involves incorporating whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of fruits. For example, swapping out sugary flakes for oatmeal topped with antioxidant-rich berries and nuts not only delights the taste buds, but also stabilizes energy levels throughout the morning. The benefits of a revamped breakfast are manifold, impacting mood, energy, and overall daily performance, proving that a good morning can indeed herald a good day. A lunch transformed nutrient-packed power meals. Lunch, often squeezed between busy schedules, frequently falls victim to convenience over quality. However, this midday meal is crucial in maintaining energy and focus for the second half of the day. Transforming lunch into a nutrient-dense meal can be both simple and delicious. Consider the transformation of a typical fast food burger into a quinoa salad bursting with cherry tomatoes, spinach, and feta cheese. This not only significantly cuts down on unhealthy fats and simple carbohydrates, but also boosts your intake of proteins, complex carbs, and essential minerals. The key to a successful lunch makeover is preparation and variety. With a range of healthy recipes at your disposal, you can ensure that lunch is a dynamic meal that sustains both body and mind without succumbing to the monotony of traditional health foods. Dinner delights, keeping it light and flavorful. Dinner is the culinary highlight for many, a time to unwind and savor. Yet this meal can often be the heaviest, loaded with calories that go unburned as we head into the night. Making over dinner requires a focus on lightness and digestibility without skimping on flavor or satisfaction. One way to transform dinner is to opt for lean proteins like grilled salmon paired with a side of roasted vegetables. This not only offers a hearty dose of omega-3 fatty acids, but also keeps calorie counts in check. Incorporating herbs and spices can elevate the taste, making the meal a delightful experience that supports sleep rather than disrupts it. The art of dinner transformation is in finding the balance between nourishing the body and delighting the palate, ensuring that each evening meal is a comforting end to the day. Snacks and desserts. Guilt-free pleasures. Snacks and desserts are often viewed as diet derailers, but realistically, they can be integrated into a healthy eating plan. The secret lies in substituting ingredients that are high in sugars and unhealthy fats with healthier alternatives that satisfy the same cravings. For instance, replacing a regular chocolate bar with apple slices dipped in almond butter provides a creamy, sweet treat that is rich in fiber and healthy fats. Similarly, baking with almond flour and coconut sugar can transform a traditional cake into a lower glycemic alternative that is just as indulgent. Innovative, health-conscious snacking and dessert options ensure that you can enjoy these treats without guilt, complementing your diet rather than compromising it. From theory to practice, implementing changes in your kitchen. Understanding the theory behind healthy cooking is one thing, but putting it into practice is another. The transition requires not just knowledge, but also strategy and creativity. Begin by reorganizing your kitchen. Stock up on essential ingredients like whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, and healthy oils. Plan your meals ahead of time to avoid last-minute unhealthy choices. Furthermore, engaging in cooking classes or online tutorials can provide practical skills and confidence to experiment with new recipes. The transformation of your kitchen into a hub of health is an ongoing process that not only changes the way you cook, but also the way you think about food. Nothing inspires change like hearing about those who have successfully made the transition to healthier eating. From families who have collectively lost weight to individuals who have improved their chronic health conditions, these stories provide tangible proof of the benefits of dietary changes. One such story is of a family who replaced their weekly fast food dinners with homemade meals, discovering not just health benefits but also a new avenue for spending quality time together. Another individual turned her diabetes prognosis around by meticulously swapping out high glycemic ingredients with lower glycemic alternatives. These success stories are not just narratives, they are beacons of hope and motivation for anyone looking to embark on a similar journey. Garnering advice from professionals can demystify the process of transforming your diet. Nutritionists and dietitians offer valuable insights into how small changes can lead to significant health benefits. Experts suggest starting with one meal at a time, gradually incorporating healthier choices and building from there. They also recommend keeping a food diary to track and understand eating patterns and progress. Additionally, understanding portion sizes and learning to listen to your body's hunger cues play crucial roles in maintaining a healthy diet. The guidance from nutritional experts is invaluable, providing a strong foundation upon which personal health journeys can be built and sustained. As we look towards the future, the trend of healthy eating shows no signs of slowing down. It's becoming clearer that the path to wellness through food is not just about individual health, but also about global sustainability. The future of healthy eating involves more than just individual choice. It's about community and global actions. Innovations such as vertical farming, sustainable agriculture, and food technology are paving the way for accessible, nutritious foods that support both our health and the environment. Embracing this future means continuing to innovate, educate, and inspire. A commitment to not just eating differently, but thinking differently about the foods we choose and the impact those choices have. In conclusion, the journey from unhealthy to healthy recipes is not just a culinary challenge, but a rewarding adventure. It's about transforming traditions, embracing innovations, and fostering a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle. As we continue to explore and adapt, the fusion of taste and nutrition promises a deliciously vibrant future for our meals and our health. This essay delves into the fascinating process of transforming traditional, unhealthy dishes into nutritious alternatives. By combining scientific insights with practical cooking advice, it aims to inspire readers to adopt healthier cooking habits. The essay highlights the benefits of health-conscious cooking and the joy of eating well, providing a comprehensive guide on how to make these transformations in your own kitchen. Each section incorporates expert opinions and real-life examples, emphasizing the positive impact of making healthier food choices. In the world of food, the aphorism, "You are what you eat," resonates more loudly than ever today. As the gentle hum of a kitchen mixer blends the past with the present, a gastronomic revolution is brewing. One pot, one plate, one meal at a time. The journey from indulgent, traditionally high-calorie dishes to their vibrant, healthful counterparts is not just about substituting ingredients. It's a renaissance of culinary creativity. Each altered recipe represents not just a meal, but a narrative of transformation. But how do we turn the comfort foods that narrate our life story into protagonists of both palatable delight and physical wellness? This essay will explore just that, weaving science with the art of cooking to offer you a guide on remastering your kitchen into a haven of health.